Teleperformance is a great place to work certified company that supports diversity and offers equal opportunities to all. If you want to work with us, follow the next steps to find the perfect job for you and upload your CV. We have gathered all job openings and all the info you will need in one place. Once you land on our homepage, simply scroll down and see the job search section right below. For a full view of all available job openings, click on View All Jobs. Alternatively, you can always open our Jobs tab from the top bar menu and get there easily. From there, all you have to do is scroll down and browse through all the jobs listed on our website. You can also search by entering a keyword, selecting a job language, and by clicking the green Search button right after. When you find the job position you want to apply for, click on the title, and you will be transferred to the job application page. After reading the job description, scroll down until you reach the Apply for this job button. When you click on the Apply for this job button, an application form will pop up. Start by entering your email, then your first and your last name. Select your native language, fill in your mobile number, and optionally, your landline. Then you have to select the country you currently live in. These fields are mandatory. Tick the Yes or No box to let us know if you have previously worked in our company. If you want, tell us how you found us by choosing one of the listed options. Enter your cover letter in the message field. Don't forget to tick the Agree boxes before uploading your CV. Browse to upload your CV file, and keep in mind that the allowed file types are doc, docx, PDF, RTF. Once you upload your CV, click on the Send Application button. If you filled all the mandatory fields correctly and ticked the Agree boxes, you will be transferred to the Thank you for applying to this job page, where you will see the job ID and the job language of the position you applied for. Lastly, an email informing you that you have successfully applied for a position at Teleperformance will be sent to your personal email address.